To welcome students. So now we'll start rotational motion, and you know what is rotational motion? A spinning top. You have seen spinning top, that is called as Latu, that exhibit rotational motion. So when an object turns about a or spins about a fixed axis, we call it as rotational motion. You know that earth is also rotating about a fixed axis, that is also rotational motion. And difference is there, rotational motion and revolutionary motion. That is earth revolving around the sun, that is called revolutionary motion, but earth is rotating about its axis. So rotation and revolution both are different. So let's see the definition of rotational motion. So when an object turns or spin about a fixed axis, that is called rotational motion. Now see one example of rotational motion, that is the motion of a spinning top. The motion of a spinning top, that is the example of rotational motion. Similarly, the spinning of earth on its axis, that is also example of rotational motion. This is 1, this is 2. Spinning of earth on its axis, that is also example of rotational motion. Let's see these two examples in picture so that you get a better understanding. You can see this is a top, and this is called axis of rotation. Axis of rotation, and the top is rotating about this axis. This axis is passing through the top like this. This is imaginary line. Okay, this is an imaginary line, that is called axis of rotation, about which the top is moving or spinning. Okay, this is example of rotational motion. Now see how earth is spinning about its axis. So you can see here the here sun, about the sun, earth is moving the circular path. This is called revolution. But here you can see this is the axis of rotation. This is called axis of rotation, and earth is rotating or spinning about this axis of rotation. This is rotational motion. And due to the rotation of earth, what happened, there are several changes occur in our you can see here that due to the rotation of earth, day and night occurs. Similarly, as you see here, the earth is at the axis of earth rotational axis is tilting towards like this. Okay, and due to this, what happened, you can see summer in north, winter in south, and several type of changes of season occurs because of this. Okay, so this is all about what rotational motion, and several examples are also there. Now let's see more examples. Here in a merry-go-round, you can see a person is pushing this side or a bar, and moving this merry-go-round in a about an axis. This is the axis of rotation, you can say. So this merry-go-round is moving about this axis, that's why it is called rotational motion. Okay. um, but what is the difference between um, rotational motion as well as circular motion? Let's see the difference. What is the difference? What is the difference between circular motion and rotational motion? Anyone can say among you? Okay, let's see. I'm answering now. The difference is very simple. This is a circular path. Let this is a circular path, and this is the center of the circular path. When a body is moving in a circular path, the object or body is completely as a whole is moving in a circular path. But when a body is doing a rotational motion, but is just spinning about an axis, that is called axis of rotation. Axis of rotation. Sorry, axis of rotation. So in circular motion, I am writing the answer here. In circular motion, an object. So in circular motion, an object as a whole travels along a circular path. Okay, but in rotational motion, the object only spins about its axis of rotation. So here the body is rotating about its axis of rotation. Okay, but in this case, circular motion, whole body is revolving in a circular path about a center. This is the center. This is the earth, this is sun. Okay, so earth is revolving around the sun. This is circular motion. Here whole earth is moving around the sun in a circular path, but here in rotational motion, earth is a body which is just rotating about its axis of rotation. This is called what? Rotational motion. So basic difference is this question may come in your exam. By the way, now we will discuss about some more type of motion, that means combination of motions, but of course in the next meeting. Thank you.